Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English 360. I'm Anna.
Hi, friends. I'm James. So happy to see you here today.
Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun English talks.
Yes, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss our lessons.
Today, we are going to talk about New Year. Yay!
Oh, yes, I love New Year. It's a very fun time.
Me too. So, James, how do you usually celebrate New Year?
Well, Anna, I like to stay at home with my family. We watch fireworks and eat special food. How about you?
That sounds nice. I usually go out with my friends. We talk, laugh, and watch fireworks too.
Haha, yes, fireworks are always amazing. They are so colorful and loud.
Yes, I love when the sky is full of colors. It feels like magic.
Exactly, magic in the sky. And Anna, do you make any New Year resolutions?
Oh, yes. I always try to make resolutions, but sometimes I forget them.
Haha, me too. Last year, I said I would wake up early every day, but I woke up late almost every morning.
That's funny. I also made a resolution to eat healthy, but I ate too many chocolates.
New Year resolutions are hard to keep, but it's fun to try.
Yes, trying is important. Even small steps are good.
Absolutely. Every small step counts. So, Anna, do you like New Year parties?
I love them. Music, dancing, and lights. Everything is so exciting.
Me too. But sometimes parties are very crowded. I like a small party with close friends.
Yes, small parties are cozy. You can talk and laugh more.
Exactly. And you don't have to wait in a long line for food or drinks.
Haha, yes. By the way, do you send New Year cards or messages?
Oh, yes, I send messages to my family and friends. It makes them happy.
I also send messages and sometimes funny memes too.
Haha, memes are great. Everyone laughs and it feels cheerful.
New Year is really a time to share happiness, love, and smiles.
Absolutely. It's also a time to remember the good moments of the past year.
That's true. I like to think about my memories. Some are fun, some are funny.
Haha, yes. And some memories teach us lessons too.
Speaking of lessons, last year I learned to cook a simple cake for New Year.
Wow, that's great. I should try that too. Cooking is fun.
Yes! And the cake was small but very tasty.
Small but tasty. That's perfect. Sometimes small things bring the most happiness.
Exactly. Even small celebrations can be very special.
Very true, Anna. Do you have any funny New Year stories?
Oh, yes. Once I wore a hat with lights, but it fell into my soup.
Ha 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 ha. Oh no, that's so funny. Were your friends laughing?
Yes, everyone laughed so much. I laughed too, even though it was a little messy.
Ha ha ha. Yes. Laughter is the best part of New Year. It makes everything fun.
And the food is always so good. Special dishes, sweets, and drinks. I love them all.
Me too. I especially like sweets. I eat too many, but it's okay once a year.
Exactly. New Year is a time to enjoy and have fun.
Yes, enjoy and have fun, and maybe a little dance too.
Haha, yes. Do you like to dance at New Year parties?
I love it. Dancing with friends and music is amazing. What about you?
Me too. Even if I don't dance well, I enjoy every moment.
That's the spirit, Anna. It's not about dancing perfectly, it's about having fun.
Yes. And talking to friends and family is so nice too.
Absolutely. Talking, laughing, and sharing stories. That's New Year magic.
By the way, James, do you watch New Year fireworks on TV or outside?
I like both. Outside is exciting, but TV is comfortable at home.
True. Watching outside with cold wind is fun, but TV is warm and cozy.
Ha ha ha, yes. Sometimes I wear a funny hat while watching on TV. It feels like a small party.
Oh, that's cute. I like small, cozy celebrations too.
Cozy celebrations are the best. You feel happy and relaxed.
And everyone eats something special, right?
Yes, some families eat traditional food, others try new recipes.
I tried a new dessert last year. It was delicious, but very sweet.
Haha, yes, desserts are always too sweet sometimes, but so tasty.
Exactly. And sometimes too much sugar makes us laugh too much.
Haha, yes. Sugar and happiness go together at New Year.
New Year is really a happy time, full of colors, lights, food, and fun.
Absolutely. And sharing smiles, wishes, and laughter makes it even better.
Speaking of wishes, what do you usually say to your friends on New Year?
I say Happy New Year. I hope you have a healthy and happy year.
Me too. And I sometimes add a joke to make them laugh.
Haha, yes. Jokes make wishes more fun.
Ha ha, yes. A little joke makes wishes more cheerful.
Absolutely. And sometimes jokes are remembered all year.
By the way, James, do you know how people celebrate New Year in other countries?
Oh, yes. For example, in Japan, people eat noodles called toshikoshi soba for good luck.
Really? That's interesting. Long noodles for a long life, right?
Exactly, long noodles, long life. Very clever tradition.
And in Spain, I heard people eat 12 grapes at midnight, one grape for each month.
Haha, yes. You have to eat very fast before the clock stops.
That sounds tricky. I might choke if I try all 12 at once.
Ha ha ha. You need fast hands and a big smile.
Oh, and in Scotland, they have something called first footing.
First footing? What is that?
The first person to enter the house after midnight brings good luck.
Oh, wow. So it's like a lucky visitor. That's fun.
Yes, and people sometimes bring small gifts like coal or sweets.
Gifts and good luck together.
Me too, and it's nice to share happiness with friends and family.
I like that. Absolutely. New Year's about sharing and caring.
Speaking of caring, do you make special wishes for your family?
Yes, I say, I hope my family is healthy, happy, and safe.
That's very sweet. I do the same. And I also wish for fun adventures this year.
Adventures are important. They make life exciting.
Exactly. Even small adventures like visiting a new park or trying a new hobby.
Yes, small adventures can give big happiness.
Oh, James, do you like to watch New Year TV shows?
Yes, I love music shows and countdowns on TV.
Me too. Sometimes I sing along with the songs at home.
Haha, yes. Singing and dancing in the living room is fun.
And sometimes my cat joins me. She tries to dance too.
Haha, cats are funny dancers. I wish I had a dancing cat.
Ha ha. Maybe next year you will. Animals make celebrations more fun.
Definitely. Pets feel happy too during New Year.
By the way, Anna, do you make New Year resolutions with friends?
Sometimes we try to motivate each other to keep resolutions.
That's a good idea. Friends can help us stay on track.
Yes, and it's more fun to share goals.
For example, last year, my friend and I promised to learn a new language.
Wow, that's impressive. Did you do it?
Haha, partially. We learned some words, but it was fun anyway.
That's the spirit. Trying is more important than finishing perfectly.
Yes, and we laughed a lot while learning.
Laughter makes learning fun, just like New Year celebrations.
Speaking of laughter, do you have a funny New Year memory from childhood?
Oh, yes. Once I wore my dad's big coat to a party, and it was too long. I tripped.
Ha ha ha, that's so funny. Did you fall?
Yes, but I laughed more than I fell. Everyone laughed too.
Ha ha. Childhood memories are always fun,
Absolutely. They make New Year special and happy.
and it's nice to talk about them with friends and family.
Yes, sharing stories brings everyone together.
By the way, James, do you like to decorate your home for New Year?
Oh, yes, I put lights, balloons, and a small tree sometimes.
Really? I love decorating too. It makes the room bright and cheerful.
Yes, and even small decorations can create a happy mood.
And sometimes I hang funny hats or funny glasses for everyone to wear.
Ha ha ha, ha, that's great. Funny hats make photos more memorable.
Exactly. And photos are important. We can remember the happy day.
Very true. Photos capture memories forever.
Oh, James, do you like New Year's songs?
Yes, songs are very fun. I sing Happy New Year with my family.
Me too. I sometimes sing karaoke at home.
Karaoke is very fun. Even if we sing badly, we laugh a lot.
Ha ha ha. Singing badly is funny, and laughter is the best part.
Absolutely. Laughter is like magic during New Year.
And you can practice English too while singing songs.
That's right. Singing in English helps us speak better and have fun.
Exactly. So, everyone, don't be shy. Sing, laugh, and enjoy New Year.
Yes, enjoy New Year, practice English, and share smiles with friends and family.
Oh, and don't forget to make small memories too.
Small memories can become big happiness later.
Yes, even small things like a funny joke, a hug, or a smile.
Absolutely, every small moment counts.
So, James, as we finish, what is your favorite thing about New Year?
Hmm, I think it's the feeling of a fresh start. A new year, new opportunities.
Yes, I love the fresh start too. It feels like anything is possible.
Exactly. And it's also a time to forgive and forget small problems.
True. We can leave behind bad days and focus on happy moments.
Absolutely. Focus on happiness, fun, and learning.
And remember, everyone, small steps are okay for resolutions.
Yes, even a little progress every day is good.
Oh, and don't forget to talk about your New Year plans with friends or family.
That's right. Sharing plans makes them more exciting and fun.
By the way, James, do you like New Year games or activities?
Oh, yes. We play simple games like charades or board games at home.
Ha ha, I love charades. Last year, I acted like a cat for a whole minute.
Ha 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 ha. Did your friends guess it?
Yes, but it took them a long time. I laughed so much.
Ha ha. That's the fun part, guessing and laughing together.
And sometimes we play small competitions like who can eat the most grapes?
Ha ha. That's tricky, but so funny. Everyone laughs a lot.
Exactly. Fun games make New Year very memorable.
Absolutely. And photos help us remember all the fun.
Oh, James, do you like to write New Year diary or notes?
Sometimes I write a few sentences about my day or special moments.
That's nice. I also write small notes about happy memories.
Yes. Later we can read them and laugh again.
And it's a great way to practice English too.
Exactly. Writing helps you remember words and phrases better.
So, friends, try talking, writing, laughing, singing, and playing during New Year.
Yes, enjoy the day, share smiles, and practice English at the same time.
And don't worry if you make mistakes in English.
Absolutely. Mistakes are okay. We learn from them and have fun.
New Year is all about happiness, laughter, and new beginnings.
Exactly. Happy moments, friends, family, and learning English.
So, everyone, let's make this New Year special and fun.
Yes, dance, sing, eat, laugh, and enjoy every small moment.
And remember to repeat key English phrases like Happy New Year, I hope you're healthy, and I wish you happiness.
Right. Repeating phrases helps you speak English naturally and confidently.
Oh, James, I think we should end with our favorite New Year wish.
Great idea. Friends, here we go.
Happy New Year. I hope you have a healthy, happy, and fun year.
Happy New Year. May your year be full of smiles, laughter, and learning.
And everyone, like this chat, subscribe for more fun English talks.
Yes, hit the subscribe button, watch our other videos, and keep learning English every day.
Thank you for joining us today on Everyday English 360.
See you next time. Keep practicing, laughing, and enjoying English.